So, my students, good evening again. How are you doing this day?
Good evening, sir.
How are you? How are you? How are you? Um, TT not here yet? Wait. Oh, okay. Uh, mm. All right. So a little housekeeping before we begin. I, through School of Business, did ask earlier on this week to ensure that the course is visible on area, because one or two students were saying that they weren't seeing the course, and then lo and behold, the course went up even before I knew it. So 19 students selected the course, but I'm seeing more than 19 students in the class tonight.
Sir,
So go ahead.
remember I want to override if you're gonna look at it, so I'm not sure if you
All right then. All right. So do me a favor. Just send me a private message again now, please, so that I can look at it for you.
Mm-hmm.
Because Marvi,
Sir,
Yes,
Susie?
sir.
right at the time, the course wasn't on, so I couldn't do it.
Okay.
Right. So know that I'm still there. So just send me a private message with the ID number and let me just look at it.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, Susie here. Sorry to be bothering you. I need
Bother
an
me, Susan.
override as well.
No problem. Send me a message. You're not bothering me. Don't ever think you're not bothering me. Just
All
send
right,
me, just
thanks.
send me the just send me the sub. Shan, what?
Excuse me, sir.
No, sir, I was just saying that I didn't get to select it as yet because there's a clash, so I just need to go by the school to sort it out.
Okay, right. I think you're mentioning that to me though.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Somebody
based on
says,
what you're saying
I
tonight,
hold
would be
on.
the class.
Hold on, Ryan.
I
Malika?
haven't done the override as yet. I'm planning on going to the school next week to sort out everything. So
Okay,
I hope I won't be.
yeah, it's just that it's going to be closed out. I don't know if it's this week, and I don't want it to have to pay unnecessarily. So that's why I want it. I'm telling you
This
before.
week,
I um I, let me just look at it. Something was sent out. Let me just look at what was sent out. But I think I sent it off to you guys. Did I not send it to you?
no, sir, I didn't receive anything.
All right, hold on.
And the
Hold on.
email was sent out
Yeah, man.
indicating that today is the deadline to select the courses and then the time frame to make the payments at the end of the month. So
Right.
check your email, guys.
All right. So what I'll do, I'm almost sure I sent it up, but what I'll do, I'll send it. Carter, are you awake?
Yes, sir. Me there. Why pray?
All right. I'm going to send something that you just drop it in the chat to just confirm something. Which group did I send it to?
All right.
Um, James. I need to check to see.
Yes, excuse me, sir. So based on what you're saying, that means tonight would be the first class.
First class or what?
Pre-cal, you teaching pre-cal online for this semester.
What first class? How many programs?
Who asked a question there?
First class for you.
Sir, I'm a year two. Sir, I'm a year two student just returning from work experience. Yeah.
Malika, God go with you here. This is about the third or fourth class.
Yes, sir. I'm very new.
Okay. It's not only you alone. Come and see this person. Lindo, who me not see before, but yeah, man. So you need to. All right, Carter, I'm looking for something to share with you so that you can share with the group. There is a WhatsApp group, guys, for those of you who are coming in, that you need to be a part of so you can get the information. Who did I send this message to? I'm trying to. The associate degree students in NV. ENV. Rockstone. Jessica. This is ECA. Oh, advisory to students. It was saved here. No, I remember it was saved. Advisory to students. Advisory to students. All right. So just repeating, those of you who are just coming in, please drop your information. Sorry, my admins, please drop the link to the WhatsApp group so they can join via the link, please. 82.
Sir Sean,
Yes, please.
so the override that they're asking about is for the one, is for the person who don't see the pre-calculus come up on the canvas?
On the Arion. So if sometimes if there's a foundational course outstanding, or we're not seeing a record of the math course on your profile, you may need an override. So I would have to log on to the Excel system now to double check on those. I just want you to send me the stuff so I can give you something to do, so I can go and log on to the system to make sure that you have the requisite stuff. So
Also, who pick it and them seat on them canvas thing?
so no, so what happens is that when you go to select the course on Arion, when you try selecting the course, it will tell you whether or not you need an override, or you can go ahead and just select the course one shot. If you need an override, you just select the override. The override automatically comes to myself and the other person in charge of the department. And then what I'll do is just take your ID numbers now, so I can directly search for your ID numbers so that you can get the overrides tonight. Last week in class, Marvy asked me to do that, but when I tried it, I wasn't getting on to, the course was not yet selected, so I couldn't get anything done up. It's just yesterday or the day before, can't remember, that I sort of finalized stuff, because the course wasn't even on my timetable at that point. I think it's yesterday it went on to my timetable. But it was open so that students could already select, because when I spoke with ICT, they said that 19 students have already selected the course, but I didn't know it was open at the time. All right. Kerry, you said what the advisor to students for me?
Yes, sir. Long time.
All right. So Wednesday, February 12th is for the course selection. So it's like no. So I'm gonna say to your students, we don't want you to join paying extra money unnecessarily. So make sure that you have selected your courses for this semester. It's not asking you to pay. It's just asking you to select the courses. All right. So go ahead and select. Let me just go and boot up that system so I can.
Sir, can I ask a question, please?
Absolutely.
If you're just redoing some exams that were missed, do I need to select the course as well?
Yeah, man. We need to know our record, because if you're going to do the exam, we need to know. All right. So the course selection is very important to know how many students you need, because we have to request the number of exam papers from CCCJ.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So good question. So yes, we need to know. So yes, go ahead and select, because if you don't select the course, when it's time for exam for you to get your permit, you're not going to see the course on your permit.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No problem. All right. So I'm seeing, I just need to get these. Malika, don't put a number, please. They're going to put a link so you can join it via the link. So Shani, put the link there. Thanks, Shan. Just join via the link for me, please. I'm only seeing one name for the override. I am going to go to another location to look at that override. If there are others to come, please. I don't want, when I in the middle of teaching. Oh, sir, I have I'm not going to break to do it. And class will finish 10 o'clock. And you're going to say, what's already giving class? I'm giving you the opportunity at the start of the class to just check to make sure that you have the prerequisite. So I can get everything done up now because I'm going to take a bit of break.
Sir,
So I
send
can
it
get
to you in your private
Yeah, man,
chat.
just send it to me directly. A direct message. So I can just go and look at it for you. Who's this, Winnie?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So send it off to me, Winnie, so I can do that. All right. In the meantime, I don't want us to. I want you guys to be engaged. I did ask if you could take some past papers. I gave you. Did I give you a question to do for me? What on Kramer's?
Yes, sir, you did.
Yes, sir.
How was it?
It was okay.
Somebody said who said hard?
Abana said that it was okay.
Okay. Hear me and I know. Malika, you did the homework? Mm-hmm. 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 Waiting. Waiting.
No, sir.
why, why Malika?
Sir, I'm saying this is my first class.
I don't care. You should have asked somebody. Anybody at the pre-calculus when you get homework?
Sir, but didn't know nobody.
All right, never mind. Never mind. Do me a favor. Can you just recirculate in the WhatsApp group for me? All right, don't do it yet until everybody join. Just recirculate that handout that I sent in the WhatsApp group, please.
All right.
And
like yeah, watch my action of that. Me just somebody
watch
just
here.
but me send it back.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. You see, normally when I was in my class, I used to do everything. And then I said, but after me in a Kunumuni, I have the students in there. Very nice. Thank you, Shan, for putting out the link. Thank you, Karen, for circulating the stuff and others too. All right, what I'm going to do, this is x minus 5y minus 7z. X minus 5y minus 7z. X minus 5y minus 7z. I'm just trying to find the question, so x minus 5.
The next quick question.
Go
So
ahead.
I selected the problem because I need the override. It's not showing on area. And after
Well,
you approve, if you're doing such, it will be visible, right?
Sure.
Okay, thanks.
Just send me a private message with your
I
name and
did.
no, okay,
I did.
great. So I just want to give you something to do in the meantime so that you're engaged while I go to do some housekeeping. 7 minutes. Oh, but so okay. What's the answer for what's the value of x? For the homework, what's the value of x?
Can I answer one?
Say it again.
I got 9.
You got 9? Casey, what you say? You got 9?
For X?
Yeah. 9 you say again? Talk to me now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got 9. Okay.
Sir,
Shauna, what
101.
you got 101? We're talking about the same question?
Which
Oh my
question are this, sir?
The homework that I gave you, the one that says x minus 5y minus 7 equals 11, negative 11.
Yeah, so we asked about the X.
Yeah.
I got me get me no.
Where you get? You say 9?
101.
Oh, 101. Okay, got you. The Shauna, what you got?
Sir, to be honest, I didn't get a chance to attempt the question.
Why? Can you start it now, please? Harry, what you got, Haryana? Or Harrian?
Sir, good night. I just joined.
Yeah, you do the homework?
We did get homework. Hold on.
Cockroach. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna charge everybody $1,000 if they don't do my homework. Me know me can't eat a curry lobster tomorrow. Susie Q, you do my homework? Susie can't answer because Susie not do it. Gilly, you do the homework? Gilly can't answer either.
Sir, I didn't even know we got homework.
See they know. Latisha, you do the homework?
Yes, sir. I said I got 101.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Mummy. Sorry, Mummy. You did say that. Carry on, you did the homework? All right, Carrie never.
Sorry, you know what, sorry to cut it, but you know one of the reason also the recordings.
What about recordings? What about it?
So I wanted to go over the recordings
But the recordings are uploaded
on Canvas.
to my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. All the recordings are uploaded.
Okay.
Yeah, man. All right, thanks again, Kerry. Look at the screen. For those of you joining or don't know, that's the link to my YouTube channel. All the recordings are there. The only one that will be out is tonight, and as soon as I get it, I'll upload. And also not just for this season, but there are other seasons of pre-calculus there that you can have access to. All right. So it's because Kerry, send me privately your answer because it favors say you're the only one where they do this. I mean, I say Latisha, no, send it privately. I say Latisha.
Right, sir.
Tisha, I'm gonna respond to you, Tisha, privately. I'm gonna give you an opportunity, students, to do the homework. Me now come to class, come do the homework for now. You're crazy. All right, so Tisha, I'm messaging you.
Explain the question, sir.
It's on the handout that was sent. The last question on the handout.
Can someone please share the handout?
It was shared in the group.
Hey,
Yes, Ryan.
so if we go on area now, I'm seeing you still try to register for it, right?
You see me now?
And then I am seeing you on Arian.
Yeah, man. Try registering for it. If it says that you need an override, just let me know.
Okay.
So that I can
All
give
right.
you override now. So I'm actually
All right.
waiting for those. Winnie, you never send me a message, Winnie. Sorry, let me just check.
Yeah, it didn't ask for an override, so I think I'm good.
All right, great. And then you kind of check your profile now to see if you are
Still, I have to come at the school because the school owe me money. I want to
Yeah,
use
man.
that facility. Yeah, fee.
Same so. Same so.
You know, so me register without even putting a foot in the school, sir. Don't even put it.
That's nice. That's nice. So Ryan, that means you said that it went through without asking for the override, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So I won't even want to check yours again. Winnie, send me the ID number now, Winnie, please.
Sir, I did. I did.
Oh, sorry. You
But
may have
sir,
sent it.
I have oh, I need to select a course that
Uh-huh.
that it's offered
The day?
in the morning, but then
Mm.
see me to select it anyway because
Yeah,
it's a
man. Go ahead.
weekend plan. So me
Yeah,
don't
man.
know how it's gonna work. Is it that me have to do it one? All right, let me see something and then me come back.
All right, cool. All right, Winnie, I see it now, Winnie. Um, all right, I'm going to. All right, so you all have something to do for me. All right, Romain, it looks. I want to. Stick. We're supposed to stick STICQ to this one. All right, so that one is the one that I want to stick to. Romain, that response up there. All right, I'm going to step away to go to the other device that I can't move. To look at the stuff for you. I'm only seeing 2 students because Ryan is okay. All right, continue working for me. Gilly, you got the question now, Gilly?
Yes, yes, sir. They posted it.
All right, great. Um, all right, I'm stepping away, guys, to go and have the overrides and up. Go back. All right. So I'm seeing some ouch. I'm seeing some answers in the chat, and I'm very concerned about those. One student got the full stuff, another student got the overall determinant correct. One student got a piece of the determinant of got the determinant of x correct, but the others are incorrect. I'm a little concerned. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to project. Um, I'm going to project. I'm going to project the solution. No, that one don't look. You guys are making some silly mistakes. Um, my friend, that one that we just coming in. Now look too safe. The power, look for the one there. What am I looking for? Okay.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
you can look my mind and tell me if you right, man.
Mm-hmm.
I sent you a direct message.
Yeah, man, I was just referring to that one.
So you know what's funny?
Mm-hmm.
So initially I got -41, right? But
Mm-hmm.
when I with my calculator, I got 141. So I'm literally doing it 2 weeks just in case.
Mm-hmm. All right. Look at what I've done for the overall determinant.
Sir,
Yeah,
question. So weren't you supposed to divide it by the overall determinant x?
absolutely.
Yes, I'm
Oh,
someone I never,
I didn't hear you, Shan.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So yeah, but for the overall determinant, some people are giving me some values that not so safe. So look at my overall determinant, please. Work with my overall determinant right there. I need to continue checking for two students. I'm right here, though. I'll be here. I may move into the breakout room with one or two students to have a conversation. So I'll be with you. Please to work on this, guys. Please. If you're having any difficulty, you can raise a question. There are students in the class who can answer. If not, when I come back from the meeting room, the breakout room, I will definitely respond to you. But please, students, this is it. I spoke with your head of school. Um, when in all of this to say, I had to do this for you guys. I had to do this for you guys. Why? Because I know a number of you are in your second year. And if you don't have the pre-cal, you can't do the business cal and the business stats. And I want to give you an opportunity to be qualified for business cal and business stats in the summer semester so that at least you can finish off your studies this academic year. Please give me your 100% attention. All right. I am going to be doing that now. Courtroom. Um, Marvy, you should see something on your screen. Can you respond to it, please?
Sir, oh,
I have a question.
Ask away, Kiri the boss. Kiri, Takata.
Oh, me? No, sir.
You know what me I call, sir?
Boy, earlier I will be coming.
I know, mercy. Julian, ask the question.
All right. So my question is, when we're doing the first stage, right? Aren't we supposed to have when you mark out the first mark out, not supposed to mark out 1, -5, -7, 3, no, -2 and 1. So therefore we should be left
Supposed to
with
be 3
3.
and 4.
Huh?
You're marking out 1, -5, -7, 3 and 4. That's the first one.
Oh, so the last one would mark out the other end.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Are we okay with this one here now, or is it that there are others who are seeing this and not understanding, still not understanding what to do? Let me talk to me, no man, please.
Sir, I would like you to do a recap, please.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
Sir, let me see the screen again with the workout. Let me see something. Because I had a +7 instead of the negative. So I have to see where I went wrong.
You seen it?
Yeah, so it's a -7 times up. Okay.
All right. So let me just go through that. I need to move again to double check on one or two more of the overrides, but let me just go through this first for the benefit of those who weren't here last week and also benefiting those who were here but still don't get the stuff. So I am gonna, and even if you understand it, please look again. So I'm gonna ask you to press pause. To press pause so that I can go through the stuff with you. So here goes. So the question was to solve the system of linear equations. So the question is, use Kramers to solve the system of linear equations. Now, the question may come for 20 marks. The question may come for 30 marks. Last time I already came for 20 marks. But even if it came for 20 marks are enough marks for one question. Right? So we're calling it a big shot question. Big shot question because we need to, we're going to get enough marks for it. So let's go. I want you to work with me. Please come near to the screen. Don't blink because you may miss it. So it says to solve the following systems of linear equations. And systems because I have three linear equations. What are linear equations? Linear equations are equations that the highest power in them is raised to the first. The highest power in them is raised to the first. All right? So those are three linear equations. Now, in order to do this, I must go through my overall determinant. I must go through my overall determinant. I'm going to ask you to watch the video that was uploaded in the YouTube channel on the first session for the pre-calculus, where I went through the array of signs, how the array of signs was developed. What I will do now is just to apply the array of signs. So I'm going to assume that you know the array of signs, and then we're just going to apply it. But what I want you to do is to go back to the video to see exactly what has happened. So hear me out now. I am going to be writing my matrix in the form AX plus B. I'm going to write my matrix in the form AX plus B. In this form. AX, did I say AX plus B? AX equals B. What I'm looking at are the coefficients. What are coefficients, sir? Coefficients are numbers in front of. So the coefficient of X, look at the first one. The coefficient of X is 1 because there's a 1 in front of X. The coefficient of this Z is 1. This is not 2, it is a Z. All right? So what I'm going to be doing to get my A is going to be 1, 3, 4, -5, 1, -3, -7, -2, 1. And that is going to be multiplied by X, Y, and Z, and it's going to be equal to -11, 2, and 2. You get 1 mark in the exam to do all of that. So I'm converting my system of linear equations from equations to matrix form. Because in order to do Kramers, is matrices we're using. So I'm converting my system of linear equations. So technically what it is that you're doing is solving a system of linear equations using matrices. But it is not the 2x2 matrix that we normally do, where we find the inverse of a function. This is a 3x3 matrix. So we have a special way of doing it. And that special way is called Kramers. That special way is called Kramer's. So what I'm doing, the first thing I'm doing is going to be looking at my coefficients. Sir, coefficients? Yes, man. Coefficients are just numbers in front of. That's what it means, in front of. So the coefficient of x in the first equation, and what I call first equation, up here with me, my equation 1, that's equation 2, and this is equation 3. In my first equation, the coefficient of x is 1. In the first equation, the coefficient of y is -5. And my first equation, the coefficient of z is -7. See it here? 1, -5, -7. So I'm putting all my coefficients in this 3 by 3 matrix. The coefficient of x in the second equation is 3. See it here. The coefficient of this here is 1. See it here. The coefficient of this z is -2. See it here. The coefficient of this x is 4. See it here. The coefficient of y is -3. See it here. And the coefficient of this z is 1. See it here. So all I'm doing is using the coefficients to convert it from the system of linear equations to a matrix. And then I'm going to be multiplying all of that by x, y, and z. And that is going to be equal to -11, 2, and 2. See it here? -11, 2, and 2. -11.
Sorry for disturb you, but you're low. Me not hear you. So
Oh, you don't hear me? I know me the same place. -11, 2, and 2. You see that, Tisha?
yes, sir.
Now I'm asking if you see that. The -11, 2, and 2.
Oh yes, but I just saying that you were low. I could hardly hear you.
Okay. Am I coming across a bit better now?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right. So what it is that I'm doing here now, guys, is whenever you get this, and I don't want anybody to tell me, sir, I will remember. It's me mark the papers them, and I saw where many students did not remember to write the array of signs. So those who are coming for the first time, I want story up. Again, put plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and plus. Those are my array of signs. They must be used when I'm going to be doing the cofactor. When I'm going to be doing the cofactor. And I want you to watch carefully. Don't blink. I know I have the solution there, but I'm writing so that you can see it a little better or differently. So I am going to decide that I'm using the first row. I want to be consistent. I'm using the first row. I'm using the first row to do my calculation. So therefore, in using the first row, this is what is going to happen. In using the first row, I am taking out that number. So it's going to become, the original number is 1, and there's a +1 up top. +1 times this +1 is going to give me a +1. So it's going to be 1. And then wherever that 1 falls, I'm taking out the column and I'm taking out the row. So what is going to be left is a matrix now that is going to be 1, -2, -3, 1. 1, -2, -3, and 1. Sir. But you just did a while ago up here. Shouldn't this 2 become a +2 because you have the 2 negative numbers you're multiplying? No. The array of signs only affect the cofactor. It does not affect the 2 by 2 matrix. Please to remember that. All right. So I have done that one. I'm moving on to the next one now because I'm using the first row now. So I do the 1, it means that I must now use this. That's the next number that I'm going to be writing. But watch it. There is a negative number atop the 5, a -1 from the array of signs. But the coefficient of that term is -5. When I multiply two negative numbers, what do I get?
Positive.
Positive, sir.
A positive number. Very good. So that number becomes +5. And that +5 now, that's a cofactor. It's going to take out this column and that row. So when it does that, what I have left is going to be 3, -2, 4, and 1. I always say get a pencil when you're doing this one and write it in a pen, because you notice what Sir doing? Sir is now erasing. And then Sir going to say, all right, in on the last one now, watch this last one. A +1 times a -7 is a -7. So this is going to become a -7. Watch me. Wherever the -7 lies, I'm taking out the column and I'm taking out the row. What is going to be left is 3, 1, 4, -3. 3, 1, 4, and a -3, which is what I have here, here, and here. But I don't finish yet. I don't finish it. What I'm going to be doing now is to do my calculation, but I'm going to recall something. Recall. I'm going to recall here. A, B, C, D. When I'm calculating the determinant, it's going to be the leading diagonal. It's going to be the leading diagonal, A times D, minus the other diagonal, B times C. It is the leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. It is the leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. The leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. Watch me. I'm going to multiply these two and minus the product of those. I'm multiplying these two and minus the product of the other two. I'm multiplying these two and minus the product of those two. Watch me. So this is going to be 1 times 1 times 1 minus -2 times 3. Then this 5 into 3 times 1 minus -2 times 4. Then this -7, 3 times -3 minus 1 times 4. Sir, you always have a minus sign in between? Absolutely. Why? Because of this minus sign that is right here. So when I'm calculating the determinant, that minus sign will always be there. If a positive sign is to come out, let it come out. We'll put a minus sign there first. I'm just going to pause 1 minute to say to you that you must show all working. You must show all working. Because a question like this, if it is 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 20, you're going to get 5 marks for each of the terms you calculate, including the answer. So you can't just go do something on rough paper and then just write out something and then give me the answer alone. It's just the answer mark you can get. So you have to show all working. So what do you mean by all working? See, everything when I have out like so, yeah, that you have to go show when you do the text. All right. Let's continue. What is 1 times 1?
One.
So this is where I'm at. So this 1 times 1 is 1. So what I'm going to have is 1 times 1. Okay, watch this. Watch this. What is negative 2 times negative 3?
Positive 6.
And what is positive 6 times negative 1?
Negative 6.
Good job, my love. So it's going to be negative 6. And then we have the plus 5. What is 3 times 1?
3.
Good job. What is negative 2 times 4?
8. Negative 8.
Good. And what is negative 8 times negative? And negative 8 times negative 1 is?
Negative 8.
Positive 8. I know some of you drop asleep, you know, but Mr. Come up fast. What is negative 3 times positive 3?
Negative 9.
Good job. And what is 1 times 4?
Negative 4.
Negative 4, right. Times negative 1 is negative 4. Good job. So this is going to be 1. What is 1 minus 6?
Negative 5.
What is 3 plus 8?
11.
Good job. What is negative 9 minus 4?
Negative 30.
1 times negative 5 is?
5.
Negative 5. Negative 5. And 5 times 11 is?
55, sorry.
What is negative? Thank you. What is negative 7 times negative 13?
91.
How much?
91. Positive 91.
Okay, positive 91. And negative 5 plus 55 plus 91 equals?
141.
And that's my overall determinant. That's my overall determinant. So those of you who had made a mistake and didn't see, I'm hoping you're seeing it now. Are there any questions of me?
Hi, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Sir, I have a question. Up the top where you mentioned the one, the answers that you get for the second row.
This one here?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I don't understand how the one come in.
Which one?
So when you say 1 times 1,
Mm-hmm.
and then you mention another one, and you did the same thing when you said the 2 times 3, you mention another one.
So I guess you're referring to when you use the 1 for the negative sign.
Not a problem. See, each of these, there's a 1 here, there's a 1 here. I'm not going to put it here because of that, but if I put this in parentheses, there's a 1 right here. I hope that helps.
Yes, sir, because I didn't know that.
No, ma'am. And incidentally, the array of signs and you have plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. They're all ones. So it is really, oopsie daisy. Really and truly what it is that we have is 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. So when I say plus 1, and when I say minus 1, it's because of this. So that's why when I'm multiplying this by this, I said positive 1 times positive 1 gives me a positive 1 here. And that's why when I'm multiplying these two now, I say negative 1 times negative 5 gives me a positive 5 here. And that's why I said this one, positive 1 times negative 7 is a negative 7 right here. I'm hoping it's clear now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No problem. I like the idea that you guys are unmuting and asking me questions because it means that something is not clear. If it is not clear, ask me the question because I don't want you to leave the class with any misconceptions. I don't want you to leave the class with any misconceptions. All right, I'm gonna.
Sir,
Yes, please.
I sent you a message.
Yeah, man, I saw that just now.
I'm leaving work now, so I'll catch you in a few minutes. Pray that
All
you
right, please
police
be
don't
safe.
stop me.
Lord Jesus, in the name of Jesus, just be safe, please. Be safe. Be safe. All right, hurry up and come back. Harian, I'm very proud, very nice. Keep up that good work. Yes, Romain, if you don't put the signs, your values are going to be off. If you don't put the signs, Romain, the values are going to be off. Miss Lee, is it big enough for you now, or you want me to still zoom in?
Sir, can I finish up?
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. TT, go on. TT. Me tell you, no, come at the front. Yeah, man. Go on, finish up, man. Go on, finish up. But let me just show you something though. Yeah, you can continue. For those especially that were, yes, Tisha, you have to be careful. Let me just yeah, right. Sorry, you not even know what I'm saying, right? For I am actually responding to messages in the chat. Um, let me just say something to you here. Some of you are very careless with the multiplication of your signs. When I say careless, I mean you're very careless. You have two negative signs multiplying each other and put on a negative sign. It is going to throw off the answer. It's going to throw your answers off, and there is no reason that nobody should not get. So when I started Kramers, I've never started doing a well, yeah, it's a fast track sort of class, yeah, but I've never stopped. And I'm going to start the course teaching you something like this. Well, granted, I did some indices, some logarithms with you, yeah, some indices with you at the very first class on the 29th, right? But I jump into Kramers now because I want you to catch it. You have enough time to catch Kramers. Please, me, I beg you no. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me carefully. I want you to remember. I want you to remember this. The negative 11, 2, and 2. I want you to remember the negative 11, 2, and 2. Because when I'm calculating now This is the calculation of the overall determinant. When I'm now calculating the determinant of x, look at what I'm going to do. I am replacing this first column with my -11, my 2, and my 2. When I'm calculating the determinant of x, so that first column is representing x. Sir, how you know? Okay, thank you for asking. You notice there in the first column here, everything is x. In the second column, everything is y. And in the third column, everything is z. So that's why I'm replacing my first column with x. And then I'm going to get a new matrix. And I'm going to project the answer, because I want you to see it. So you see it there, I put it in red. So that's a new matrix. And you're going to calculate for me the determinant of that new matrix. So I'm leaving that there. And I want you to try it. And if you get stuck, look at my answer. I'm going to go and do, if there are no questions of me, no, I'm going to step away so I can go and look at 2 more overrides. May I be allowed to jump, or you want, or somebody has a question? Okay, I think I can jump.
No?
Sir, if you attack, we're not here, you know.
I'm not talking to Tisha because you're supposed to be working on the determinant of X. You finish the determinant of X?
Question. For the -5, it wouldn't change to +5.
If you have a negative sign up above it. This one? Talk to me now. Kesia, this one you're talking about?
Sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah, man. But you notice where I'm going this time? This time I said that I'm going to the first column. So I'm using the first column, but I want you to use the first row to see if you get the same answer as I do. So yes, kids, so you're going to have this as +5 here. So you're not going to have the same thing as I have here. I'm using the first column, I'm going down, but I want you to go across the first row to see if you get the same answer as I have. But yes, you're correct. It will be the +5. Tisha, you finished the stuff?
So what I said?
I'm asking you to finish the question. You catch the determinant of X already?
Yeah.
Good. And you got the 141?
Yes, sir. But as me use the top part, the 11, the 5, and the 7.
Great. But you still get the same 141.
Yeah.
Proud of you. Can you move on to the determinant of Y now for me, please? Tiana, how are we? Always stay.
Sir, I'm at determinant Y.
Oh, you're at determinant of Y.
I got 141, but
Great.
I think there's a difference for the X.
Check over the X, please. X supposed to be 141 as well. So recheck your X. Susie, feel better now? With it? No answer. Well, Harry, I know that you finished the stuff. Katie, oh, I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you, Katie. But I need to talk to you. All right, so I'll send you a message. And Casey, just carry on. How you stay? Harry, how you stay? You guys are moving away from the device. Hmm?
Yes, sir. I went over and I'm getting it now.
Good job. I'm happy.
Thank you.
No problem. And Letitia is okay. Malik,
Malika, sir. Yes, I'm fine.
okay, good. Marja, how you stay?
So I'm almost at the end of this one. I'm going to see if I get the same thing.
Very nice. Love the sound of that. Romain, you good?
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice.
Look back over this Y thing, but yeah. I
Good
did
job.
send the response here, you know. If you tell me if it's right or wrong, then I'm gonna have to go back over it.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Okay. Thank you, Brady. I just see you respond to me. Abby, okay. All right. Yes, I saw that response that you sent me. Romain, good. Ryan, how you stay?
Sir, honestly, they were look funny at me and say, James, oh, you're so stupid.
No, man. It's all right. It's all right. I'm happy that you're seeing it now. And that is very encouraging for me. Yeah. Don't break it. The mistake already made. Yeah, I'm happy that you're seeing it now. Very nice, Papa. Sergio, how you stay?
Sir, may I get it, man?
All right, good job, Papa. Good. And make sure I get it when I ask you, tell me say I get it and I get it. All right, Bailey and yes, Narja.
Why me get one?
For what?
When I put the 11 and the 2 at X, me I get one. Me get 55 plus
Same
30
issue.
minus 84. Me confused.
All right, do me a favor.
Sir,
Both
she
you
has to check the last number.
I was
We
about to
have the
say, give me.
-7 because I got the same thing until I check over that part.
All right, so Naja, Gilly is telling you something to do. Listen to Gilly. Gilly, go again and tell her, please.
Got the same thing when when you're doing the -7, that last part, check over there so. And there so you get the error.
Okay.
All right, good job. All right, Shan, I'm not going to call you because based on what you just said to me earlier, you were getting the answer. Right, Shan? You were getting the answer, right,
Sir, I
Mom?
saw that I completed the homework.
Yeah, man, that's why I'm telling you, I'm not going to call you. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, I'm not going to call you because we know you get that very good. Shauna, how you staying, my love? All right, Shauna not talk to me tonight.
Sir, I'm good. It's just that I'm having a little problem to unmute. That's why it was taking me so long.
All right,
I
no problem.
finished the 2-step. Is it that when you say and I did the calculation and everything and I'm on point. So there's another step. There's Y.
And you're dead.
All right. So
it's 4 times the end of the calculation, technically.
right, and I do 2.
So continue working on the other 2 for me now then, please.
Right. So just I trying to I get the calculations and everything. But how do I do the third step? What I move over, whatever the case may be.
So you calculate X already?
Yeah.
Do you want to calculate Y now? You remember when you were calculating X, you remove all the X values and put the -11, 2, and 2? Good. So now that you want to calculate your Y, you are going to go back to the original stuff and you remove all the Y column and put your -11, 2, and 2.
Remove all the Y column. Okay.
So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go back to the original question. The 1, 3, 4 supposed to go back there. The original 1, 3, 4 go back there. But you're removing the Y value and replacing it with the -11, 2, and 2. Right.
And then remove the X value.
No, man. You're not removing. No, you're putting back. No, man. The
No,
X
to
value
do
was
the other calculation, because it's 4 we're doing, and I do 2 already.
right. So you do the overall. You have to calculate the overall determinant. Then you calculate the determinant of X and you remove the X1. Then you can go back with the original question. Then you can move out the Y. And then the last one is going to move out the Z.
Yeah, that's what I mean when I said to do the what
Good job.
the Z, sorry.
Yeah, man. Okay, should we say X? I was wondering, right? But yeah,
It's
man,
not
get it.
examine, it's the
Yeah, man.
Y, sorry.
Got you, my love. All right, continue to read. Lee, or you stay?
Sir, the check up for me already.
No, sorry. Anna, you know, Lee. I'm Tina Lee. Tina.
Oh.
You have a cousin in the class. Tina. All right, Tina not paying the back. Tajay, or you stay? All right, Tajay not paying the mind. TT, or you stay?
Yes, sir, I got the answer. Thank you.
Good job. Proud of you. Proud of you.
Sir.
Yes, Papa.
Sir, the weekends just come and take go on and then catch up on the weekend. Literally 2% of me.
Listen to me.
No,
This is it.
Eh?
If you not do the work over the weekend.
No, I'm not catch up because we really need to catch up. But me
All
catch
right.
on from last class.
All right, good job. The recordings for the last sessions were uploaded. Go through them as well.
Okay, sir.
All right, good job, Papa. All right. All right. So I don't want to rush it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to find another question that I'm going. Those of you who are still working on this one, please to continue. I'm going to post another question for those of you who have completed this one to start getting your practice on another question. I want you to be fully engaged. But let me just pause and say something. One of the things that I pride myself with is the relationship that I share with my students. Yes, I think that I'm stern, but I have a good listening ear, and I listen to when my students speak, and I can understand some stuff. But I'm going to share something with you. I was in a conversation today with, won't tell you who, but another faculty member. And I was saying to the faculty member that I'm having a challenge, not only with the pre-calculus I taught last semester, but also with my calculus 1. Students are going to solvers online, solving questions when we give them in class, going on solvers online. When you do the mid-semesters, they are using the solvers, and when you go into the exam, boom, you can't get more than 20%. And you can't pass the course. Students, you are only hurting yourselves. In Jesus' name, what I want you to do is to do the work in class. Don't try to impress me in class. Let me know where you are struggling so that I can help you. Because when you go into the exam, is you and Jesus alone on the exam paper. So please, let me see your struggle. Let me help you. Because you are presenting the work to me in class and getting it right, not helping me if you don't know how to do it. All right, with that said, I'm going to give those of you an opportunity so that I can engage you. I'm going to give those of you an opportunity to work through another question. And I'm going to ask that you just be patient and do the question. And the rest of you, you can be patient and finish off this question while my other students work.
Sir.
Yes, please.
You know, say all along I never yet do this part here where you said therefore X.
You serious?
Yes, we just always tap it out where it's a variable, the variable of X equal to, we never do that part there.
All right. So guess what?
Show me now, yeah.
All right. So all you're doing is the overall determinant. You can use the determinant that you get for x is going to be divided by the overall determinant. So the determinant of x is 141. So it's going to be 141 divided by 141 in order to get the x value. And then the determinant of y.
Go again?
And the determinant of y is going to be divided by the overall determinant. So all of them, the determinant of x, y, and z is going to be
So we're
used
gonna put it over the overall determinant and determine all of them.
Yes, my love. Yeah, man. Same so. I love your energy this trip, Tisha.
I never understand last year, so I couldn't me just get it a little bit, you know.
And guess I mean I want to get a little bit, you know, because Ryan, every day Ryan come and kick himself, you know. Because Ryan has seen things in there and see before. So just keep up the energy to 12 now. And the rest of you too. Keep up the energy and trust me, you must pass the course. You must pass.
Sure.
All right. Yes, Papa.
Yeah, you had mentioned in the last class, read this part of it in terms of the answers, right? You were saying that people were getting, what was it decimals or something like that?
Right.
Right. So we're supposed to be getting whole numbers, or do we still get decimals, but point something?
Right. So if you're getting some decimals, if you're getting decimals that don't like terminate and recur, meaning you can't get a decimal for your answer now. So if you get that 0.25 for your answer, you know that 0.25 is a quarter. All right? And if you get 0.333, no, 0.333 is 1/3. But if you go and get 0.1289, you know so something wrong. Something wrong right there. So no fling it down on paper, care come give me in the exam. Because when I see that, me just get dark. And I saw lots of that for the Kramers. You know, it's 20 marks. Take your time and do the question and get them something you look over. So I'm not saying to you, Romain, that you will always get a whole number. I'm saying to you that, yes, you can get a fractional number, but the fractional number, if you get it, is something that is going to terminate, like terminating decimal. A terminating decimal is a decimal that, like 0.5, you know, have nowhere else to go, and you know 0.5 is a half. Another terminating decimal could be 0.25, and 0.25 is a quarter, right? So we're not going to give you with no point this, you know, them other ugly looking type decimals. So if you're getting them ugly type decimals, you know is an indication that something is wrong. All right. So what Letitia was asking me just now, Romain, is she never recognized, or you're not seeing the screen. She never recognized that, you know, to calculate, for example, the determinant of y. She would have calculated the determinant of y up here and get the determinant of y to be equal to 141. And then now she says, so you know, so we never normally do that part here, but this part is important because this is the part to find the value of y. So what she needs to do now is to say the determinant of y divided by the overall determinant. So is the determinant of y there, so divided by the overall determinant that the calculate up here, so which is a 141, right here, so and here, so. So she can divide it by the 141 right here, so. And it then give it the value here. So that's what I'm saying. So normally when you do the question, hear me out. You won't always get a whole number or an integer. Let me not say whole number, because -1 is not a whole number, but an integer. You won't always get an integer. And you could get 0 as an answer as well, because 0 is an integer. You could get 0 for the answer. You could get any negative value, 0, or any positive value. When you get a fractional term, the fractional term that we normally use are those that are terminating or recurring. And we're not going to give the recurring decimal 0.1111111, which is 1/9. We're not going to give them something there. We're going to give it like a third, a half, or a quarter. Right? So if you get anything outside of them, something there, you know you're wrong. Start again. Look over the calculations that you've done. 9.5 out of 10 times is your it's your science. 9 out of 10 times it's your science. All right. For those of you who are finished,
Sir,
go ahead, mommy.
why am I getting 131 and I see 141 up there? So what I do wrong?
I don't know. Do me a favor.
Where you have 4, where should I have 14 down on the bottom? Because that they reach me too.
Very nice. Look,
Well,
class.
on the 11 times 121. Oh, 121. 11 times 11, 121. Wait.
You mind 11 times 11 is
121
121.
plus 58 minus 38. Oh, I get it.
Very nice.
Me never do the
The 11 times
me
11.
have me put no because up the 3 plus 8 I had 10 initially, but it's 11.
Okay.
So I put 111 for some reason. I'm not sure why I put 111. All right, so I got it. I'm going to do the Y now.
Very nice. But if
Not the Y, the Z, the
Z,
Z.
right, right. If I were to commend Naja just coming a while ago, and it is what I like. Gilly came in and said to somebody, yo, that me they do, you know, make a mistake. Naja come in and say, yo, sister, and I say, go, that if you do. That's team spirit. That's the class around. All right, do me a favor now. I just posted another question in the chat. Those of you who are finished, please just take the time and we could have spend the time to then just get the creamers out of the way, you know. We get the creamers out of the way, we're good, we're on the way in passing the exam. I promise you. So I'm going to give you, those of you who are now starting, I'm going to give you 10 minutes. Those of you who are finishing up, I want you to hurry up and finish up. So when their 10 minutes is finished, at least you are halfway the second question, this question that I posed. All right, so I'm muting. I'm still looking at some overrides, but I'm muting. But if you have something, just shout me. I will hear you. Continue working, please. You're doing very well, guys. Those of you who are
So,
dropping
sir,
asleep,
in the
go ahead.
exam, is the fourth step we must do for the 20 marks?
Yes, my love.
So
Overall
yes,
determinant, the determinant of X, the determinant of Y, the determinant of Z. Yeah, man. All of them.
but that therefore Y with that triangle something, we must do that part to come and just stop at the Y, the V.
No, man. Right. So that's what Tisha was asking a while ago. She said she never normally do it, but yes. So in this part here, what it does, it's to evaluate Y. So therefore, Y, in order to get Y, I have to divide the determinant of Y by the overall determinant. And that's what is going to give me the 141 over 141, which is 1. So the value of Y is going to be 1.
Oh boy, okay.
Yeah, man. Don't worry about it, man. This too shall pass.
Sir,
Yes, Shana.
check your message, please.
Okay, right. Just seen it. Yes, man. Big up yourself. So, boy, Naja, take time with me, Naja.
Correct, sir?
Just take time with me, man. Sure. Um, you are indeed correct, my love. I'm proud of you. Continue working,
Sir,
Naja.
why you asking?
And me just very happy, man. I'm really very happy. I'm seeing you guys doing much better than before. Very happy.
Sir, mine is correct?
Yeah, man. You got another 141, right?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Pick up yourself.
Okay.
Pick up yourself to Shana. All right. So now that you finished all of them, move on to the new question in the chat, please. Romain, how is it?
Sir, so the determinant of Z is 141.
Um, is yeah, the determinant of Z is going to be 141 as well. Right. So in order to calculate the value of Z, now you're going to say 141 divided by the 141, and you're going to get 1. So yes. And it's posted on the screen now. Good question.
Yes, sir. Can you send me a message?
Okay, seeing it now. Which one is this? For the new one?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm responding to you.
Sir,
Yes, please.
isn't there? Oh, so there's nothing else after this?
What do you mean?
The bottom section. So after find X, Y, and Z, that's it?
Done.
Okay, sir.
Done. Very nice. Big up yourself. I want you to try. All right. So the one that is in the chat now, guys, we need to be quicker at doing it. We need to be quicker at doing it. All right. But remember,
Sir, I can't promise you say me I go move quick with this. Come here for creep first.
but guess what? You are getting it now because I mean you're better at it this week than last week. Talk the truth, Shauna.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, yeah, man, I see that. So your speed will come. Come, Gilly. I'm not giving you 10 minutes to do this, Gilly. I'm giving you 8 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Good. Um, Carter not hearing you.
Sir, why use the second row?
Because I can use any row in the column. So I was just proving that point. I can use any row or any column. Shanshan, look at your message, please.
Okay, sir.
Oh, thanks.
Sir, the same thing for why?
Good job, good job, good job. Sorry, who's saying something? Winnie?
Oh, sir, I wanted to know if it seems as if I'm in a different WhatsApp group. I'm not sure I'm in the present WhatsApp.
Yeah, man, Tinder, Shanshan sent you something? A link?
Well, I'm sure.
Sir, I can
Shan,
add her to the group. I'll add her to the group.
Thank you, please. Shan will take care of it. How many?
Okay, thank you, please. Sir,
Yes, please.
I seem to miss something. All right. Bear with me here, please. All right, looking on the screen, right? All right, this triangle, not triangle, this arrow that says -3, what you call right there?
I'll come in 1 minute.
I have something mixed up right here, so.
Okay, somebody just respond to you. I responding to some messages. 1 minute. All right, very good, guys. You are getting better at doing this. I am proud of the peer of you that I just responded to. Yeah. Tell me now, Winnie, where this?
All right. Yes. So this is your finding now the XYZ determinant, right?
Right.
So I thought we would have used the first line, the one -5, -11, to put where the arrow is. But it's not so.
Good. So what I'm saying to you, my love, and I'm happy that you're seeing it. So you can use any row or any column. But what I say to you is that before you use any row, any column, get into the habit first of using the first row to just to get the feel of it so you know you understand what is happening. So I've used the second row. This is a row that I've used, but I want you to use the first row. We should still end up with the same answer. Yeah, man. We still should. Look at me, guys, all of you. I can use the first column, I can use the second column, I can use the third column, or if I want, I can use the first row, I can use the second row, or I can use the third row. So I have 6 ways in calculating the determinant. The only 2 ways I can't use is this diagonal or that diagonal. You see, look here. The diagonal makes a x. X mean wrong. You can't do that. But I can go any column, any column, any column, or any row, any row, any row. So don't use the one that I use here, but use another one just to make sure that you're understanding. That's the point I'm trying to do. Because you're trying to maximize and to understand it fully.
Okay. So this is the terminal XYZ. All right.
Good job. And as I'm responding to other messages in the chat, this is what I want from you guys. That's all me to ask for. That's all I was asking for. That's all I was asking for. Don't know how to do this. All right. So there are 2 new persons tonight. Can you remember me who you were again, please? Them gone already? All right. I wanted to find out from you if you're understanding. Big up yourself, Aria. Very nice, guys. Keep them coming. Very nice, very nice. But when I like the sound, like when I'm gone, I mean, you know, like when I want to drop asleep. All right, let us agree that we're spending about 10 more minutes. Because when I sound like when I'm gone or going. Very good though. I could easily tell some people that them can log off because they've done what it is that I wanted them to do. I'm very proud. All right. You see those who I've responded to say that you are correct. I'm going to post something in the chat again. All right. So if you did the question, the one that I posted in the chat before, and I told you that you are correct, please to take off this one and you can start it. There's a reason I want to start it. I want to start something. Start it and you can go up to do the overall determinant and the determinant of X for me and tell me your answer. And then you can do the other two for homework. I just want to see the first two. And there's a reason I want to see that. Because there's a point I'm bringing across. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to do no more. That's it. All right. So I responded to some of you that you need to double check up some things. Some of you down to the T. Very nice.
Trying to send a picture to you directly.
Say it again, Ryan.
I'm trying to send a picture, but it's not going through. But I have the answer. If you would like to hear it.
Is that? Don't want to send a picture. Just type the answer in the chat for me. I'll respond to you. That's what the rest doing.
Okay.
Shan, look at that and respond to me, please. Based on how you type it, I need to get.
Sir, positive.
All of them?
Yes.
Okay, good. It's also you wrote it. All right, excellent. Yeah. Excellent. So Shan, very good. Naja, excellent. Harry Barry, very nice. Love it. And there is, yes, Gilly, you're on the right track. Continue. TT, yeah man, big up yourself. You're on the right track. Tisha, big up yourself. Love the sound of that. Yes, Romaine, love the sound of that. Very, very, very nice. All right. And so there's one last one that I'm giving you. But those of you who are just called that finish off the stuff, please work on that last one there. Do the overall determinant and a determinant of X. And then we're going to leave in 6 minutes time. I know you guys tired. Some of you I know had a 5 to 7 class like myself. So technically again 5 straight hours. So but you'll be fine.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Sean.
all this was so much negative.
Don't worry about it, man. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. Do your thing. And there's a reason. There's a reason I want to get you to a place.
Yes, send you something. Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah, send you something.
Another minute, sir.
All right, no problem.
Yeah.
Hey, Naja, I see you. Ah, goodness. Please read my message.
Sir, can you look in the chat, sir, so I can?
I, I, this is for the new one.
No, the second one. I don't know who you mean.
Elan, you're a good man.
Okay, sir.
Naja?
Yes, sir, me alive.
Very nice. I'm proud of you.
Sir,
I,
please to check manual.
I, obviously.
sorry, you didn't see me.
Oh, sorry. You just came in. All right. Anything in ETT? Winnie, I'm not seeing anything from you.
Sir, in your.
Oh, yeah. Got you. Yeah. I forget that's where we're talking. Forgive me. TT, anything you eat for lunch today? Eat it every day up until exam time. Nausea? Your dinner going to taste. It dinner going to taste nice. Your dinner going to taste extra nice. I love it. 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 No man, it's a good feeling when students do them work and them learning. Tell me what it is, Gilly. Write what it is that you get. Okay, I'm not supposed to be looking for something. All right, so I'm checking this for Winnie the Pooh. Pooh. Excellent, Winnie. Excellent, Winnie. Harry, Jesus, Father. No, man. I don't know what I'm doing tonight, but me love it. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So my final thoughts. I want you guys to continue working. I'm going to be sending one or two questions for you on the creamers because God's willing, come next Wednesday, we're not on creamers. We're moving on to something else, but guess what? We're going to be is it that negative 271? We don't like it look. But the negative other one, I love how that one they look. So that negative 271, recheck it for me. But the other one down in the denominator is very right. I'm going to be sending coming to you, TT. I'm going to be sending some questions on Kramer's for you to practice during the course of the week. This coming week, I'm very encouraged, students. I know it's going to be rough on me, but I'm very encouraged. You guys are working. God's willing, next week, Wednesday, when we get to class, we're supposed to eat, breathe, and sleep Kramer's. We'll drop a one question. We're not going to take 20 minutes and do it now. We're going to take 5 minutes and do the question with Kramer's, right? And I'm going to ask students, when I move into the other topic, I want to move into sequence and series next. When I move into the other topic, students, just yam it up same way, man. You guys can do it. And matter of fact, I'm going to prepare you from now. If I catch you for business calculus for the summer, I see me, so we're going to name up the course. Just do the something, man. Me want when I mark the paper, then we get everybody a pass the course. I mean, I want to see neither A and B me want. All right. So you guys did well. Some of you are a little slower out of the ball part, but I am not about yes with Winnie, yeah man. I'm not about speed at this point. At this point, it's for me to know that you guys are understanding. And even though some of you are getting the calculation miscalculated, and the questions miscalculated, it's fine. Make it hiccups right now. But I love the fact that you guys are still working and that a good number of you are still here with me. TT, run with the answer. I mean, the question.
I wanted to know about Edifica, and also I wanted to confirm if our answers. Well, I know it not go always be like this, right? In terms of 141 over 141, but is it a case where it would normally be in like increments, like maybe a quarter, half, a third?
Well, I don't know. All I want you to do is just do the question, the next question, and then you tell me what it was. That's what I want you to do when you do the other question. Naja, please log off and go to your bed. You're correct, Naja. Me no want to see you tonight again, Naja. You're correct. You're very correct. Proud of you. You can log off, Naja. It's your bedtime. I love it, Naja.
No.
Go ahead. Go ahead, TT.
Do we have any access to it?
All right. So I spoke to the guys about Edico this morning at 3 something when I got up. I sent a WhatsApp message that early. And I got a response in about the 12 o'clock bell to say that it was received. Just a one word, received, the message that I sent. So I'm hoping, my love, that on or before the end of this week, which would include Saturday, that access will be granted and that we will be up and running with the Edico. And in answering your question, yes, you don't have to get 111, you don't have to get 123, you can get other forms in your answer. All right. So but you're doing well. I love it. My final thoughts. Um my final thoughts. Sometimes life serve you a bad deck of cards, quote unquote. Um, and sometimes, when we do a course and we get disappointed that we don't pass a course, we feel like all hope is gone. And I'm here saying to you, the testimonies that I'm getting from my students in class tonight, sir, are them something able this for the last time? But after maybe they know this, sir. Me stop the question right there, sir. And it's not just one student saying it, it's a number of you saying the same thing. And there are students who I know were struggling and they're posting their answers to me. Very good, Shanshan. They're posting their answers to me. Hold on there. Look at this, Shan. Sorry, which one? The
Yes.
last one. No man. You're correct. You're correct, man. Don't follow me. You're correct,
Sorry, because
Sham.
I must stay with you because I must sleep.
No, because I thought it was the other one you were doing. No, man, you're
Oh,
good, man. You're good,
yes,
man, my
sir.
friend. You're good. Make the private messages that I'm sending people, I'm using terms that I don't normally use to blow up, but I'm just really proud of you. So I'm saying to you, what this will do for you is, if some of you had passed the course, you'll be very frustrated in business calculus at this point in time because you didn't understand the pre-calculus. So I say this to say to you that when you pass the pre-calculus, I notice, so I say when, because I'm expecting you to. Business calculus would be easier for you to understand because you have a better grasp of the pre-calculus. All right. I'm really proud of you. You did very well tonight. Keep up the good work. You have a WhatsApp group. Anybody struggling in the WhatsApp group, guys, I want you to not hold the information, but share it. In sharing the information, it will help to concretize your own. Big up yourself. You did very well. Those that are struggling, just put out a little more effort, and I'll make it my point of duty to send some questions to you, to give you some additional practice. Have a good night.
Sir, before I go, I have a quick question.
Go ahead.
So when I go by So Best tomorrow, they're just going to fix the clash that I have, and then I'll be good to go.
I don't think it's so bad, you know. Which course I have a clash with?
Oral communication.
Oh yes, I heard about that. Are you who are you in, Miss Moore?
No, sir.
Barton Sutherland?
No, 1 second.
Night, sir.
Yeah, Carol.
Grant Waters?
Yes, sir.
All right. I think it's ICT that you have to go to. It's not School of Business.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. All right, but you say if I got to, you know what you do? Is that go to School of Business first and let them direct you what it is that you're not supposed to do. Because it can be done manually.
No, okay.
Because, and also, if you're getting any pushback, reach out to me. Let them know that you have to do this course so that you can be qualified for business stats in the summer. Don't let anybody tell you say you can't do the pre-cal here.
Okay, sir. Appreciate it.
Pick up yourself. Cool. Later. Bye, guys.
Good night, sir.
Good night.